In this session, let us learn about HTML JavaScript. JavaScript makes HTML pages more dynamic and interactive. See the code in example. See now using button element on click document get element by ID demo dot inner HTML is a JavaScript method. Date click me to display date and time. See by writing and execute this code. See my JavaScript first script. When we click me to display date and time, automatically date and time was displayed. The HTML script tag. The HTML script tag is used to define a client-side script JavaScript. The script element either contains script statements or it points to an external script file through the src attribute. Common uses for JavaScript are image manipulation from validation and dynamic changes of content. To select an HTML element, JavaScript most often uses the document get element by ID method. This JavaScript example writes hello JavaScript into an HTML element with ID demo. See the example writing and executing this code. See ID is equal to demo script document dot get element by ID demo inner HTML hello world. See use the JavaScript to change text. When we execute this example writes hello JavaScript into HTML element with an ID demo. See hello JavaScript. A taste of JavaScript. Here are some examples of what JavaScript can do. JavaScript can change content. See here by writing and executing this code. See here button on click my function method click me demo. See here function my function document get element by ID demo inner HTML hello JavaScript. By writing and executing this code, see the result returns is my first JavaScript can be changed the content of an HTML element. Click me. If we click this is a demonstration. JavaScript can change the content of HTML element. Click here. See this is demonstration. When we click this, hello JavaScript printed. JavaScript can change styles. See another example. We can also change styles also. See ID demo. JavaScript can change the style of an HTML element. Function my function document get element by ID demo style font size 25 pixels. Document dot get element by ID demo style color green. Document get by ID demo style background color orange. See a script also button type button on click my function click me. By writing and executing this code, the result returns this. See here when we click this, see my JavaScript can change the style of an HTML element. The color was changed. JavaScript can change attributes. Document dot get element by ID image src is equal picture gif. See by writing and executing this code, here a JavaScript changes the value of the src source attributes of an image. See function light sw var picture pick image bulb off else pick image bulb on gif. Document get by element ID my image src plc. See pick src is equal to pick image ID my image src images are bulb off dot gif with 100 height 150 height 180 button type button on click light 1 light on button type button click light 0 light off button. See by writing and executing this code, the result returns is see here light on and light off. When we click on light on, the light on button will be opened. See light opened. When we click the light off, automatically the bulb will be off. The HTML NoScript tag. The HTML NoScript tag defines an alternate content to be displayed to users that have disabled scripts in their browser or have a browser that doesn't support script. See here now using document.get element by ID demo inner HTML hello JavaScript. Sorry, your browser does not support. We are using NoScript method. A browser without support for a JavaScript will show the text written inside the NoScript element. See by writing and executing this code, the result is this hello JavaScript. A browser without support for JavaScript will show the text error written inside the NoScript element. HTML script tags. Script it defines a client-side script. NoScript defines an alternate content for users that do not support client-side scripts. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 40 JavaScript. In next video, let us learn about another topic, file path.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.